How to live the laptop lifestyle. So, one of the reasons that I enjoy being a web designer is that I am able to work not just from home or work, is that I'm able to work from wherever I want to work from. It means a lot of traveling and going from country to country with their laptop and seeing the world. That's not exactly the life I lead personally, but there's certainly those that do that. And for them, it's a great freedom that they're able to, manage their clients remotely online and able to be where they want to be. And I think that that's a great advantage of doing the kind of work that I do. And that's why I want to be able to teach people how to get the skills that they need so that they can live this kind of lifestyle where you can make the choices that you want and design the life that you want. So for me, it's basically, being able to work remotely where I want to live, but still have a job that I enjoy, and not having to be in the same geographic region as that company. I can work there and live where I want, and that gives me a lot of freedom. And, prior to that, it also allowed me to just do things that I needed to do, like take care of my family when people were sick. And, it's a great comfort to me that I was able to be there for the family members that I had to take care of and not worry about my job, not worry about my work, because I had the freedom because of what I did to not have to be going into the office every day and actually being able to be away from my workplace, but still earning a living, yet being present for the family members who were sick and being there for them. So this was something that you really can't put a price on, that you're able to make these choices and not feel like you're trapped, that you can't be present for that person that you really care for, and also, having to worry about whether you're going to get fired because you can't, get to work because you're doing all these things for your family. So, these are the choices I didn't have to struggle with because I had the skills that allowed me to, a job that allowed me to, speak to my employer so that I can, be there for my family, but also continue the work that I did, because he knew that I was responsible enough to continue to get my work done, even if I was not present in the office. So I think that's one of the reasons why I teach these courses, that I want to help people learn these skills, because I think ultimately by learning these skills and having skills that allow you to do things, that you don't have to be going in 9 to 5 to an office, that it gives you the freedom to design the life that you want and spend the time with your family in a way that you want, and that gives you the ultimate freedom. And for some, that means, traveling, living from country to country, taking their laptop with them and seeing the world. And, in my younger days, I did do a lot of traveling, and I like to do that, and I still like to travel a lot. But the career that I've built allows me to do is, be where I want to be there for the people that I want to be there for, and also work the job that I enjoy. So, that's why I want to help other people to achieve that, because I think that gives designers a lot of flexibility and with your career, and that helps you to live the life that you want. Presented by Designers Learn Code.